Good morning. You are listening Sweta, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news of 7 July 2020 from around the world. COVID-19 cases have crossed 1 lakh mark in Delhi, but there's no need to panic as around 72,000 people have also recovered, Kejriwal said in a digital press briefing. Listening the word done by his government to check the spread of coronavirus disease. Kejriwal said out of 25,000 active patients, 15,000 are being treated at home. Death rate has also come down. We have started the country's first corona plasma bank. The Chinese government decision for the first time publicly put on record that it has a boundary dispute with Bhutan in the eastern sector is a calibrated manner of launching a diplomatic attack on Thimphu Ali, India. On a new front, the key could be the proximity of Bhutan eastern sector to Arunachal Pradesh, which China claims in its entirety as part of the South Tibet. The Central Board of Secondary Education is expected to declare the result of class 10th and 12th board exam by July 15. The board had informed this is the Supreme Court in June 26, where it also informed that result for the pending papers will be prepared on the basis of student performance in the previous examinations and internal assessments. The board also said that it will not conduct the pending class 10th examination and score obtained by them will be treated as final, while the student of class 12th will be given an option to appear in the pending exam to improve scores after conditions are conducive. Australian officials are closing the border between Australia's two most populous states from Tuesday from an indefinite period as they scramble to contain an outbreak of coronavirus in the city of Palumbrun. The decision announced on Monday marks the first time the border between Victoria and New South Wales has been shut in 100 years. The two states in 1919 during in Spanish flu pandemic. The Legal and Legislative Committee of Guwahati National Assembly has approved the draft export quota bill, which could result in 8 lakh Indians leaving the country. The National Assembly Legal and Legislative Committee has determined that draft export quota bill is constitutionally the bill according to which Indians should not exceed 15% of the population is to be transferred to the respective committee so that a comprehensive plan is created. I, Sweta, will come back tomorrow with new updated news. Keep watching Lavafara. Thank you.